In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar invite directly within Gmail, making organizing your meetings much more seamless. Let's jump right into the process. To begin, head over to your Gmail account. Whether you're replying to an existing email or drafting a new one, this method will work perfectly for both situations. Once you have your email draft open, direct your attention to the bottom of the email interface. There you will find three vertical dots. These dot options often go unnoticed, but they hold the key to many useful features. Click on these three dots and you'll see an option labeled Set up a time to meet. Selecting this will present you with another option called Create an Event. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial as it initiates the process of syncing your event with Google Calendar. Now you'll notice something quite handy. Your Google Calendar will appear as a new column on the right side of your Gmail interface. This new column allows you to stay within your email space without switching tabs, offering convenience with just a few clicks. In the new calendar section that has appeared, you will be prompted to confirm the event details immediately. Here is where you can define the title of your event, decide on the attendees, and set the time and any additional details such as location or a description of the event. At this stage, observing accuracy is important, especially when entering the time and date, to ensure everyone involved is available. An added convenience here is that the recipient of your original email is automatically added as an invitee to the event. This makes it exceptionally easy to ensure they're included without any further effort. However, if you need more attendees to be invited, simply enter their email addresses in the designated field. This feature keeps your options open and flexible for bringing more people into your meeting or event. Once you've carefully filled in all these details, double check them to ensure everything is as you want it to be. After this verification, proceed to click on the Save button. This action saves your event details into your calendar. Finally, don't forget to click Send. This step is crucial as only by sending will the calendar invitation actually go out to your intended recipients. The invitees will receive an email notification allowing them to RSVP and add the event directly to their own calendars, streamlining the entire process of event organization. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively created and sent a Google Calendar invite without leaving your Gmail window. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can save you time while enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to try this out the next time you're planning an event or meeting.